friends, how are you? I hope you all well. So friends, another day I am going to ready to start my blog. So friends, today's blog topic is Trump win and America ready to increase the budget of uh, attackers bombs as like bombs, weapons, and so much more. So friends, this news had came out that, and it was presenting as a Trump victory. I don't know what is this, what is it called for the uh, victory of Trump, but I don't think so. So friends, NATO chief, first you have to learn one thing, that previously when he in a in a election campaign, Trump announced that he will not join the NATO, and he is going to quit with NATO. But he turned out his words, but he take U-turn his words, and going to increase the budget of, uh, as you can see that, weapons. So but he going to increase the budget of weapons. So friends, American President Donald Trump has embarrassed the NATO. That's why he did not, he quite with the press conference of the NATO, and feel relief good for the UN chief. I'm sorry, NATO chief. So, and one developing story is also that there is NATO chief call him Trump as a dad, while they they urge to Israel and Israel and Iran to as her babies, and Trump to as a father. So friends, after this deal, Trump says that Trump meets with Vladimir Zelensky, the prime minister of the uh, president of Ukraine. So Donald Trump say that you will not have to worry about that. I do in past. I am as your friend, and say that this will this increase of uh, but this increase of budget is stop this budget gross bill stop the Russian aggression, and and uh, what's aggression on uh, Zelensky and Ukraine. So one moment has been come when Trump was uh, 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 reporting to a press conference on the uh, one woman who urged to ask a question, and he said that his husband was in Ukraine and fighting for Ukraine. So that's a emotional moment. Who That's a emotional moment. So friends, But what's happened after this? The best countries are trying to spend her budget of bullets and so friends. Uh, Rus- America and best countries are trying to increase her uh, budget of uh, missiles, like guns, bullets, and all of these. So, what the world will react? What the world should react? I think the questions is be what the world should be react because of best countries has been increasing their uh, defense, increasing their defense system. So what the world learned from it, and the other countries as other words has also be what the other word another world has been looking that America and West countries are Europe and Americans are increasing their budgets like guns, bullets, and all of these weapons has been increasing their budget. So what they learn from this? They learn that we should also increase their budgets as as at the war we need when we need in a war with US and West countries, European countries, USA. So we have to collect more powers, more wars, more fighter jets to uh, defeat to the America and West country. So, friends, and now it's time to take stop my blog. And friends, if you enjoyed this video, please do like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.